See, this is not just the time. You tell me that. Straight. What is that? Say because they call you Sissy Devineko. This Sissy, see, respect yourself. Oh. No, they carry your mouth, they put for what you don't concern you. I beg, this is a family affair. This is what she tell me now, a family affair. Don't just go add yourself. I visit to you. Respect yourself. Sorry, Madam Lemo. Sorry. My prayer will be inside the prayer. And you know, say, we don't want to make a Holy Spirit leave our gathering.
Holy Spirit?
Holy Spirit. Ah.
JP, were you talking to me?
Sorry.
Did you just say that to me? You won't make I change her for you now. You won't make I reason your matter now.
No reason my matter because I beg, na play like play. Na play. I don't mean that.
Come to think of it. What do you mean by we they pray? Who are the we?
Nah, me and the Holy Spirit.
You and Holy Spirit just sick. You don't dey beg now. You are in a bomb now. You should go hit your head. You change to do after the night.
But I said, sexy though. If you get something like what there, you see that thing? I be want to tell you, make I teach you how to dance well. Because Madam Capella no one make I help and blow. So I feel up for you. No, come. Maybe why I don't talk to her, no verse, no verse. No verse, I don't talk to myself. My matter no good, I beg, no reason now.
This guy, you're crazy.
See woman being only you are. Wow. They go shoot idiot. Cause if I will go kill. Oh, I'm going to say the go to.
Are you having headache? Oh, wait. I be your abroad movement don't cast.
I beg, I ain't got no baby. Leave me alone. I want to be left alone.
Talk now. They say a problem shared is half solved. So I'm listening. Tell me, what is it?
It's not this stupid phone. It's not this useless phone. Since morning I've been trying to work on it. It's not functioning. It's malfunctioning. I even went to the repair shop and they said there was nothing they could do. And I've not spoken to my baby since morning. It's driving me crazy.
You should call you on your small phone. Or better still, send you money to buy a better one. It's that simple.
I just said he cannot call me through my small phone. And he's so busy to go to the bank to send me money.
Very. Do you know sometimes, if I let me use that word, you are no lodo. Somebody told you he cannot call you on your small phone. And he's too busy to go to the bank and send you money. Or use an app on his phone, which illiterates use these days. Yet you believe him. You believe him, Barry.
Biko, this thing is giving me headache. I don't want to shout. Don't tear my mouth. These things you cannot understand. You cannot. I am the only one that understands. I've told you.
I am crying for you.
Please.
I'm crying for you. In fact, you need deliverance. Itorobong needs to pray for you. You need serious deliverance. Deliverance with fasting. Not just fasting, no. Dry fasting. Why are you like this now?
Don't worry. I'll look for someone that can buy me a phone. It's not hard. I'll see somebody. I'll buy a new phone. He's busy. I've told you before. Calm down now.
So the guys in Nigeria are ATM machine and the ones are brother for serious relationship. Really?
Yeah. See this head? Aching me. And my eyes are heavy. I cannot see. Combined with this phone, this problem. Let me not run mad. Please don't come and add to it. Allow me, mind your business. Let me carry my problem alone. See, it's too heavy.
Okay, no problem. Carry your problem by yourself, yeah? Enjoy.
Allow me to carry my problem. It's
carry,
heavy.
Carry it very well. It's good on you. Yeah? Well done.
I love you, baby. But you know, I was passing through heartbreak at a time. And there was no way I would have just jumped into a relationship like that. You know, huh?
I understand. There's no problem. Just that I wonder what kind of guy would treat a princess like you that way. That guy must be blind or something.
He is, definitely. But then that is in the past now.
Yeah.
You can have me all to yourself now.
You know, I am the happiest man in the world right now. Don't worry. I promise to treat you as a queen that you are.
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah?
My phone is bad. I don't know if you could get me another phone.
That is not a problem, my dear.
Really?
Of course.
Oh, God. Wow.
Yeah, there's no biggie, Don't worry, I'll just, by tomorrow, I'll get you. Just name the phone you want.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you darling. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, baby.
Okay.
Wow.
I can't do anything for you, just name it.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Thank you,
No,
baby.
you're a queen, I have to treat you as such.
You deserve a kiss. Mwah.
Go! Down! This is what you are! Get away from there and knock on the door again. Those business.
She said she knows what she wants. She knows what she wants. She knows her dreams. She knows what she wants. Sexy Macapella, baby girls are ready to enjoy this life. Sexy Macapella, but no retreat. No sorry, these girls wanna rock the street. Yeah. Rock me, I rock you, not the game. No retreat, no surrender. No dumb Sexy Macapella.
Thank you, I got you. Nah, y'all not gonna kill me.
What is it? Why are you talking to yourself? And did you call the Macabella asked you to call?
Nah, because I won't call him. Nah, because they say I go call him. Now they call me goat. As I did, I look like goat. Look, check me now. Check me out. So here, I look like goat. They make a goat. And they look bad.
It's okay. Did you tell her her guests are standing outside?
No, I swear. I'm not telling her. I just tell her, say, one fine man, we carry a fine car, they look for a finish. Let me call me goat. I don't suffer for this house. You better I go inside.
Resign. See your mouth. You let her go resign. As if there are job opportunities everywhere. It's okay. But did you even understand what I said before talking?
I tell her what you tell me, make I tell her now. Can be good. If they call me joke, I can accept them. You call me good.
GB, she's not far from the truth, okay? You look like it. A little. Like this.
I look like it.
Meanwhile, go and call the guy to come inside, okay? Let me see him. Probably he'll have money to spend.
I look like it. I look like it.
It's okay, GB. It's okay. Sorry.
GB.
Sorry, eh? Sorry. Then, how can you ask GB to call someone you don't know inside? A total stranger.
And what is wrong with that? He could be the person to get my phone. I mean, what's the risk?
Babe, I don't understand you these days. Okay, what if the person you ask him to bring in is a thief? I mean, some risk are not worth taking. Talking about phone, what about the guy that promised you?
That idiot. That fool. After all I did for him, after everything I did for him, he said he must marry me before he gets my phone. Can you imagine?
Let me tell you something. Guys of nowadays are very wise. They don't wise up. Nobody's ready to spend on another man's property. Do you understand my point? So you better change your mind before it's too late for you, babe.
What are you trying to insinuate? I should leave my fiancé that is going to buy me the entire world. For that, please, I beg. You should just calm. Chill. We are all gonna shut up if my guy comes back. Huh?
You are still speaking gibberish. Don't
Don't worry.
Excuse me. Just keep calm.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you don't go.
GB, you can now leave.
I beg. All right, I beg. We're gonna handle with care. Because, bros, your orgy is where you get. All right.
Hey. Hi. Well, the Getman did not add cute to your description.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, please, pardon my manners. Sit, feel comfortable. What do we offer you?
You're welcome. Let me go call up Macapella for you.
It's alright.
Itoro! Itoro! Come over here, come on. The house help is coming.
Ma, you call me?
Yes, Itoro. We have a guest.
Oh yes, we have a kiss.
Itoro. Meet Chidi, Macapella's friend. I want you to go get him something cold to drink.
Fine man. What do you go like drink?
Lemonade is okay.
Huh? You no go like lemon. That one day slap. Wait, make I think of the you so you go like. Sigh. Why did you not get the rubber use? No worry. I get plenty things for free, sir. I could bring you the one where you go like.
Drama queen, will you leave and go get what he asked for?
I must say you have a beautiful house here.
Oh, thank you. Don't mention. So back to you, handsome. Who is Macapella to you? Let me guess. Your village girl? Your family friend? Oh, your cousin. Please tell me she's your cousin. Oh, here comes the girl of the moment. Girl, you're looking stunning. Thank you.
Madam Macapedia, what thing you wear? Why you could wear this kind naked cloth come outside? You no tell am say wicked case. See, it ain't very bad for you to wear this kind naked cloth come seduce the innocent man.
Chidi, you're welcome. You know, I kind of think like your presence is making everyone here uncomfortable, but I'll let it slide, cause yeah.
I quite agree with you. I mean, girlfriend, why will you dress so indecently when we have a guest? Huh? A child of God is not supposed to go half naked.
Alright, Chidi, y'all gotta go right now, cause I need to fix shit up.
No, madam. Madam, no be like that now. Madam, just allow the fine man make him drink and drink finish. You don't know, say it is very hard to see man we fine come kill money yawn for this hard time. Useless.
Leave him now.
Huh? What's wrong with you?
Leave her.
Come on, get away. Get away. What's wrong with you? Where were you when you were saying shit about me? Huh? Where were you?
I am sorry.
No.
Sorry. You go kill him. Now see the cook food. If you kill him, here now. Hey! See that girl?
Talk to me now. Now just forward. Y'all gonna say rubbish to me again. You'll be saying shit. Don't freaking touch me. Don't touch it. Get down. Get on your knees. Eat down. You'll be get away from me. You'll be saying shit to me. Who the hell you think you are? Who you think you are? You're gonna talk to me.
You go kill him. You go kill this girl.
No, I need this idiot to know that I'm a returnee. Yes. Back in the States, I had no fucking freaking shit.
Yes.
Who you understand is that?
I know. Please calm down. You're gonna kill her. You're gonna kill someone else. Please.
You fucking freaking fuck with me.
It's okay.
No, what did this guy do for me? This guy they feed me spirit, soul, and body.
Yeah, some bullshit.
Go.
No, open your mouth and say war again.
Madam, no face.
No, open your mouth.
No face. I don't know
I beg you. Sorry.
You know we all got madness inside of.
Yes.
You are a bushman.
You do.
Freaking idiot who's never crossed the border to any country. Got them stand in front of me and talk to me.
Okay.
Who the hell you think you are?
Calm down, Macapella. It's okay.
Sexy Macapella. She says she knows her dream. She knows her dream. Sexy Macapella. She says she knows what she wants. She knows what she wants. She knows her dreams. She knows what she wants. Sexy Macapella. Baby girls are ready to enjoy this life. Sexy Macapella. No retreats. No sorry. These girls wanna rock the street. Yeah. Rock me, rock.
You already checked my back.
You have to think very well. Try and remember, where was the last place you left it?
I don't remember. Since I started doing this acting, I ain't got shit up my head.
Is that right? Then what about ask your friends that maybe they will know where you left it?
Those enemies of progress, if they'd seen that, they'll trash it.
Then, you have to think. Where was the last place you left? Think.
Like I said before, I don't remember. Maybe we just check the kitchen, check the living room. That's it. Let's go.
As I release myself from that my tight Sexy Dove. Sexy Dove. Sexy Dove, are you not the one I'm talking to? What is wrong with you? Yeah. Oh, Chimo, what kind of money was that dancing? You are looking for something.
Did you see my music book?
She said, did you see her music book? Sexy, what is wrong with you? Did you see her music book?
Am I staying in this house with them? I mean, what's my business with the music book? You're distracting me.
Oh, Chimo. Oh.
Let me tie my ribbon and break them. It's alright.
Acapella, I noticed the energy between you and Sexy Dave. What's going on?
I don't know. Did she tell you anything's going on?
No, she didn't say anything to me. It's just that I noticed it. The two of you, the energy between you both is not nice.
You know, thing is, I don't know what problem is, you know. I call her on phone, she won't take my call, she won't return my call. I send messages, she won't respond. And then when I even try to talk to her, she won't talk to me. So I don't know. Something's wrong.
Hey, are you sure it's not the way you treated her the other day?
You know Sexy Dove is a very emotional person.
You know what? Right now, I just want to look for what we're looking for. If she thinks that anything's wrong with us, then she's going to come talk to me about it and we trash it out. That's all. That's it.
I know, but if you ask me, I'd prefer you walk up to her and ask her why she's acting the way she is.
Girl, I'm going to look for what I'm looking for. There's no way I'm going to get involved in all of this. Like, seriously. And that's it. That's how it does happen. Shall we?
We shall.
So.
Now all of you listen to me, right? If I don't see my music book, I swear to God, I'm going to stop all of you one by one. I'm talking. Who took my music book? Y'all think I'm joking with you? I need my music book like right now. I need it right now. If you guys don't give me that music book, y'all not gonna like me. I need my book. Who took my music book? That music book is 100 times better than all of you put together. I need my music.
Makapila, you're holding a knife. That's a knife.
Shut up.
We didn't see your music book, please. We did not.
Where's my music book?
Madam Akapedia, no fake so. Hey, that time I've been seeing as baby, your stone go around that your room side. Look, we ask them.
Jimmy.
Wanna roll it? Hey, Madam Acapella, this one if I make up. Sure you don't find I realize say no only me. The person we go make you blow.
Okay, now on a very serious note, I'm looking for my music book.
I know, Zemo. I don't know what the music book for. If I said that, they're gonna what?
Why are you so dramatic? Calm down. I didn't say you're with my music book. What I'm trying to say is that you're gonna have to help me try find it. Yeah. And listen, if you help me find my music book, right? I will make sure that I send you a book to be our gatekeeper. And that, of course, is when I got
it. Just break. He say, sorry. He say you won't carry me go from here. I come to the gate man.
I'm not kidding.
But I'm not a joke. See, abroad not be waiting. They carry the joke. Abroad not be from here to Iselugu. If for that country. I mean, this book don't enter your brain.
Hey, listen, I mean what I'm saying. If you can find that music book for me, you will be a gatekeeper abroad. Trust me. I've already upgraded my potentials and Don's getting married to me like pretty soon.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. Damn serious.
Madam, that one go hard though. But I go try.
The choice is all yours, you know. Just find my music book for me, then you stand the chances of going abroad, being our gatekeeper, and Aston Jazz's wife. Think about it.
Madam, you see that book? I don't find out. Consider it done. Madam. You can't look up, bro. Hey, madam, you see that book? I don't find out. Just consider it done. Ito! Hijab brother. Look at me. Ito! Let's dig the kitchen.
What do you need? Stand here.
This is what I want to tell you now. This is what I want to tell you now, eh? This news what I won't give you now. If it be bad news, if it still be good news, it depends on the one what you want.
God forbid every bad news. I do not want to hear any bad news in my life.
Okay.
It's only good news.
I want to hear.
Okay, I good news. So you won't make I give you the good news.
Vector.
No, say this kitchen.
Nobody take kitchen.
Nobody kitchen. Nobody. Acapella boyfriend won't marry you. And I tell you, if you say I take talk, see now you. If you say I describe you.
Wait.
And I tell you.
Wait. Which friend be that? Wait. The one we come that day.
Exactly. That one will fine. Get money.
Stop him. Now you be that. Stop him. This guy expensive. You be that.
Yoke what? You know the meaning of yoke? Yoke na that yellow tea where they for egg. That be yoke. You don't know if you want to talk joke.
No correct me. Yoke is yoke.
The problem,
no yoke with me.
The problem when you get is say they ever agree when they correct you. A person correct you once you learn. If you learn, you go down.
Quiet.
But they tell you this one may be a expensive joke. What they tell you correct thing. I true they tell you. You talk say now you want. Say you be very fine, humble person. Say you fine well. Say now you go free they do this thing well. Say you can. You say they describe you. Say now you be better person. We be say if you marry, your mama go like him. You say they describe you.
This thing you just tell me now, you very sure. You did show say that one we come that day. We dey very.
No, that I dey tell you.
Plenty money that.
Why? Why you fight? You go tell me all. You go tell. See that one I will tell you. He say go marry you. See. No be. Oh, you the man who they call you be. You know what you be? You be na your color.
Wait, nah. See, you be my tell you. You be my personal person. See, might tell you something.
No be, my name no be Ibi.
You be wait.
Ibi boy here, be that say ma go no obala.
Anything you might tell you. You be my personal person.
I know.
See,
for
if
this
you carry knife, cut here like this.
You mad?
Your picture na in the air.
Get my picture there.
There. Come on, your head for my breast. See, you be with my test. Anything we want, marry for you. I could do am now. If you want,
can move.
You can burn your office. Burn this. Ma carry kerosene.
You the man.
I won't carry kerosene.
You cannot say that. You won't burn office that. You won't burn my office. Make you come out me for job. You the man.
Sorry.
You cannot say me that. What did they do you?
No fix. No fix.
You brought the hot. If you want make you do now, make you burn this house, go burn my.
No fix now.
People that say you go tell me say anything I want make you do, say you go do for me. Say if I want make you go can just swag ya kita. Bro, see, mind yourself. You understand? What I will make you do for me now go find a cappella song book, bring them. Once you bring them, fine piano song. You need to go burn house.
Wait. Ibi.
No be Ibi, shut up.
Nah. Macapedia. Na send you abi?
Nobody send me.
Macapedia na send you. Where you want my see the song book? Where you want my see the song? See, avoid me.
Chelo, wait. So now come on, you want come on so. Okay, Chelo. So now so you won't just waka comot for fine man we get money but won't marry you. Now say come on stand.
Wait, stand here. Wait. If you know the lie, how you take no say you won't marry me? He tell you say you won't marry me.
I dey when they talk calm. I dey when the man they tell a cappella about you. See now you won't marry. See now you be the better person. If you say oh God, the way the kind they describe you, that they scatter my brain. He say you get him. Say you come feel. He say now you won't marry. Now a cappella say na lie. Say no go agree. Say the only way when you go take agree be say you go say if you find that song book that in song book 5, you just find and bring a bar. Like the only way go.
Very sure.
And they tell you that I go lie.
Very sure.
And they bad. I go the lie for you. Who be why go the lie for you?
True to.
You won't.
If I say true to, say God.
For what? If you know the lie.
If you know the lie, true to, say God. But forgive me. That day, I will take small okokoro. And okokoro will be talk to you, don't be me.
Now you listen to me. You weren't drunk or anything, right? You were just saying exactly what was on your mind.
Make I feel really do. True to God. See, the sins, you don't complete. One knot, you don't come out. I don't match for my village before, I feel in that market.
You say what?
Don't feel. The man is really now. He will come, he will go. That day, the man will come visit me.
Wait, girl. You trying to say that you been running now? Ooh. I will forgive you on one condition. And that is good. Y'all gonna find my music book. I don't know how you're gonna do it, how you're gonna go about it, but you're gonna find my music book. Not a thing. My friend says he don't like you dressing in this shit. He's gonna wear some pieces that take them, let me talk to you about. You know what I'm saying? I know you got you. Alright, stand up.
Sexy Macapella. She says she knows her dream. She knows her dream. Sexy Macapella. She says she knows what she wants.
If you myself, right up, bro. Hey, yo. And they feed their brother. Let me say, nah, this country, I don't feed this country again. Hey. Yeah, I put your brothers. You come in now. Come on, open the gate. They say, boy, hey, yo, G. Gage. So this one like this. Open the gate. So, hey, yo. Wow. Look on. And that side here, you wow. What is that? Where the Aka come back? I see one flying. What did you do?
You know, okay. This one where you carry plenty clothes wear like this for body. For this all afternoon. Go run they catch you.
See, village girl. See, village girl, I dey worry you. You know something anything. This is abroad. As I dey here, this is the man you see there. I dey abroad. Me and you know they here. I dey tell you. I dey practice abroad because I dey go abroad to look at man for abroad. Immediately when they tell me say, if the guy they come abroad, wow, and they pay me salary, bam, I run straight to market. Finally, I everything wow. Then they see what did they make it? What did they make it? Did they make it? So sad.
Come on, tell me what I'm for. Which abroad? Na trick. One trick code. Come. You know, you don't go your village, go collect wish. So that for night, you could just land for day. Better tell me now.
My friend, go and see that their business. No, their business. If I go collect anything, will make me fly go there. They concern you. What do you know now? Why that abroad? Now you know they hear. Come on, no they do this. You know they post for me. Level don't change. You understand? You eat the raw back up. You say you don't do. You see the back of this yesterday. What do you like now? What do you like?
Train. Stop that nonsense. Come, Bangutong. You see this thing?
Everything.
You not going to enter the again. You know why? Because level don't change. I don't upgrade. As you see me like this, I just did fine. Better sexy name, but I could give myself.
Say what you that? What you that one? No, tell me now. What you that one?
Look at me. Look very well. Because look,
And next, Mrs. Fine, which man like you see so. So when you want to talk to me, that's when you go open your mouth, come in, and respect to me. They come in, and put.
You don't even do it. Let me do more. So, as you did that, you don't even know the name we go call out. I better come and give me this job. I can just beg it sound. I be my sugar get on the sweetie again. The sugar, you know the sweetie again.
Abodi.
It's Abodi.
Which sugar cane?
This
nonsense where you don't even feel wash. This thing we don't sour.
One of you
now you won't carry come put for my fresh sweet pot. Me tron. Tron nonsense so. A bon pot.
I mean the salt.
A bon kero.
So you go a bon kero. A bon kero.
It's not.
You say anytime when you come, you say I mean they do where. Say oh, yeah. Say oh,
you do.
You do.
Come on. A bon.
A who?
Nah.
Salt.
Say me.
Neck all the day where or bago. Lele. Then I go see.
Get down.
Idiot! See, when they go, see, it isn't me there now. See, level don't change you. Wow. I enter abroad. I will not follow all those white people the way when they say the way they own they clean. Wow. I'm telling you. Nigga, idiot!
What?
No.
What are you two doing in my room? Madam, if you don't talk now, I will tear you both apart. What are you doing inside there?
Now.
Sai, Madam Demon, you no go believe what thing happen. If I tell you what thing happen, you no go believe. See, he is very big cat, pussy cat, very big. He just yawn straight into your room.
A cart?
Very fat pussy. Very fat one.
Where did it come from?
I don't know. You just say wow. See, to see you carry your eyes, see that one, go faint.
No.
I tell you. Very fat.
How did it get there? Is it still there?
No, yo. See, as I just see the cat, we come find am. I still make her open window, the cat no even waste time. You just young, come on. Mama say I for kill him to say you know young.
What? Window? I am pretty sure I locked the window.
You don't know pussy of these days. Very sharp. That's how. No.
What happened?
If you see pussy, immediately I push you. Wow! You enter window. Make I kill him. You just use one hand. Wow! Open the window. Wow! Jump out.
I don't understand. A cat opened the window. Do you think at all? That's not true.
No, but shut up. What you shut up?
You both are confusing me.
Madam Demon, one side is idiot. God, now me use my hand open the window. I said don't open the window. Now they can't yum come on.
This is what you're talking about. What you're talking.
You say can't yum. I said open.
Excuse me. You used your hands and open the
window. They can't yum.
Yum.
No be yum. Jump it. Jump.
Oh my. Okay, fine. The cat is no longer in there, right?
No.
Cart? How did it get there?
Let me tell you, they careful because just the door there, just at least. Wow. As they come out, as they part, we see a wow.
I'm sure it was Pearl that opened the door. Because I always tell her to close the door. I don't even know I'm sharing rooms with her. Okay, that's fine. Come back here. Where are you going dressed like this?
Okay. I go soon go abroad. So I dey practice abroad. I just practice so that if eventually decide to go abroad, I don't get surprised. So this is what they see for TV, they watch.
Oh, you're practicing how to go abroad.
I dey tell you so that as I enter I don't get
crazy. And where are you rehearsing to go to?
Madam Demon.
My name is Lemon.
It's alright, Madam
Lemon.
Lemon. Lemon. Shut up.
Yes,
Shut up. So where are you practicing to? Banana Island? Excuse me. You said the cat is no longer there? So I can go. Please excuse me. Are you sure the cat is no longer here?
No.
Oh, thank God. Get down! Come.
Madam, everything don't finish, nothing they finish.
Don't worry. Our bow of life is going to give us money to restock.
Baby.
Yes.
You know you said you wanted us to hang out. So we can go there now. You know, let's just leave that in the house.
Babe, I'm enjoying your friend's company. So I would suggest I would do that some other time.
So don't worry. If you guys want to hang out, you can.
But I know that you're going to give us money to buy stuff. Right?
That is not a problem. So what would you care for?
Oh, Greek yogurt and sham.
Okay.
I like fresh fish and some juice. And our brew of life. Thank you so much. I hope it's not too much.
No, it's not. Let's go get it. Yes.
Patrick, you and who? No. You and who? See. You are pissing me off right now. You and who? You want us to go and get it? With which money? No, since you want us to open your leg, let me open it. Do you have a dime in your account? Patrick, do you have a dime in your account? Ever since I met you, I'm the one feeding you, clothing you, buying you recharge card. You came out to say, let's go and buy. I will still be the one to pay. I'm like, okay, I'm doing community service, Abi?
Why are you talking to me like this?
Guy, if I slap you, you go enter war. You mad? She will buy no attach for your body. See, they shake you like this now. 1 naira coins no go come out for your body. Are you mad? You dey crazy. I have been feeding you. You are here saying, let's go and buy shawarma, pizza. You are mad. You dey crazy. See, guy. Mind yourself. Respect yourself. You hear me? Nonsense. In fact, I'm done with this relationship. I am done with this nonsense. Because I was just managing. Let me say that let's just be like I have a boyfriend. You are rubbish. Rubbish. That is what you are. Nonsense.
It's alright. When you come back, Becky, have this at the back of your mind that I will not accept you.
Will you clean your mouth? What do you get? Thunder fire you? What do you have? You are just a 5 seconds. You know you're not even man enough. Look at you. Your mates are out there making money. You are here sitting there. One is feeding you. Kaka where you there? Shengbai no where you there? Idiot. What the fuck are you? Look at this idiot. Hey, boo-boo.
Oh, Castigo, finally. Vegas. Boo-boo of life. Hey!
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, my love you. I love you. Not for me, no. I don't hear which kind of nonsense be this. I just stay here. Nobody won't talk to me. No. You know, Kuro. Nobody won't talk to me. I just. No, I give you. You tell me call me. You talk to me. I didn't hear. Hello. What is it?
Madam, this thing you no good. You no good. I don't dey make una say make una teach me target. Una no want teach me. You no good.
You mean target?
Target now.
Samantha, this is actually your fault. I mean, you're gonna make someone's daughter commit suicide. I don't get it. How is it my fault? Can't you see? I mean, can't you see the way she's behaving with all these your targets, whatever it is, you know? I mean,
This girl is too daft. She's too dull for my liking. I've been trying to teach her this business. She does not want to hear. Hamburu is Umburu Eke. She doesn't have anything upstairs. Everywhere is empty. How is she supposed to make money from this business with that kind of group? Okay. No worry, I know one day we came like that and finish. You do. The insult. You do. Don't worry, come. Let me solve it. You could put that for me. Sight! And you're a very good person. Thank you.
but next month, you come to me. Yeah, so
Stop who? Who? Me. Stop for this girl. As what? As her father or as her mother? As what?
If Mama, if you say that again, I'm going to make you. In fact, I will force you to stop for her for 1 year. So don't even say that again.
Oh, Chimo, I should stop for her for 1 year. The rubbish to say. Oh.
I'm serious. I'm serious.
She did this later. I'm not doing that people. What that people
See, if you go through this page now,
Okay.
you see that this particular girl, she had this app on her phone.
Okay.
Hey, so you download this app now.
Okay.
When you take your picture, you can link
Girls! Oh my
What is it?
Oh my god! Girls, look, somebody should just wake me up.
I beg, talk.
Somebody find me.
Talk if you want to talk. We don't have time. We are busy. What is it, Lemon?
Listen, I'm not even going to let you spoil my mood, okay? Now let me drop the gist. Should I drop it like it's hot?
Drop it.
Should I drop it like it's hot?
Drop it.
Okay. I've been chatting with Don Jazzy, Don Baba J for 2 weeks now. Girl. As in, girl. At this moment, he has invited me to his house in Lagos, in Lasgidi. And I tell you,
What? Who doesn't know you're a fantastic liar? In fact, your real name should be Linus.
Atmba.
For you to say this, I don't believe it because I know Don Jazzy is already taken.
oh.
Yes.
Oh, well. Babe, I'm not the carry talk anyhow. It dey play, it dey show. Check this out.
Oh my God! This is real! He even sent you a flight ticket?
Of course, girl.
Oh my God, you're made.
Yes, so.
You are made.
Yeah.
My girl, you're made. You're made. Oh, you're made.
Babe, I dey enter Lasgidi.
No be small
I dey
something.
enter Lagos.
Show them.
With a show face.
Show them.
I dey play. I dey press. Are you mad at something? He dey play some people.
Enjoy this life. Sexy Macapella, no retreats. No sorry, sexy Macapella, the guests are ready to enjoy this life. Sexy Macapella, no retreats. No sorry, sexy Macapella, the guests are ready to enjoy this life. Sexy Macapella, no retreats.
My God. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord, it was a dream. Whoa. Even Peaches was happy for in that dream. No. That thing's not gonna happen. It's never gonna happen. Okay.
better get it on now. The time is running out.
Macapella.
Minute.
Macapella. What? You can't believe what I'm seeing here.
Hold on, guys. Wow, you know I'm running out of my target. This is month end. I haven't even made the money. Like, shit, I'm getting tired of this app.
Okay, see, I just saw a news. Don Jazzy dancing with a strange woman in a wedding. I mean, I can't believe my eyes.
No, you better be kidding me like right now. You're joking.
No, I'm not joking.
No, that's a joke, because I know Don likes to joke a great deal. Are you?
Just look at it. Can you imagine? I mean, they're too close to my comfort. I don't like this at all.
No, this had better be one of his jokes. No, this feels like a joke. Like,
Wait. Aren't you working on your target anymore?
What target? I'm not going to work on any target. I need to really take my time and investigate this properly, because if Dawn actually does this to me, I'm going to kill myself. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Why is this girl so dramatic? If Nani does this to me, I'm going to kill myself. Like, seriously, Macapella.
Madam Abeli, good afternoon. What happened? This one where you just sit down here, they read book. You see that?
Oh, you mean this novel? Yeah, it is very interesting. I mean, the author is a very good writer.
Oh, Madam, see, you know they behave like all those Igbo kills. You sure see your brain dey for the original place we called Puta.
What sort of insult is that? Itorbo, how dare you speak to me like that?
Sigh, madam. No fix. Kuyarisa. I do not come here to insult you now. Now only you are the yoke with you. No fix. I move.
Come here. I have noticed some changes in you, and it has affected your prayer lives. You no longer pray.
My sister in Christ. See, my Bible tell me say there is time and season for everything. Yes, and for prayer, I see they pray very, very well. Oh, you start the pattern. The pattern has changed now. They pray in a very colorized way.
Globalized prayer. What does that mean? I've not heard of that before. Well, okay. I also heard that you asked Macapella's friend to marry you. So you're trying to say that Macapella is a liar?
Sir, madam, I cannot say that. How can I say Madam Macapella is a liar? I don't talk like that. Madam, see, you don't think where this man start to disturb me, see him love me well. As I dey like this, so the only thing why I don't decide we say I could carry him so keep him to God.
Okay. So he loves you. And in return,
you will win his soul to Christ.
Bam. Madam, sense no go kill me. You get sense well. Madam, I just dey my own. This man waka come meet me. Say he love me. Say if I no love him, say him could die. So now, I want carry him soul, give him to Jehovah. That love, when he love me, make him carry him, love God, and all the angels with the heaven. It does not need any love from man. But remember, I must go with Jesus every day. No matter the roughness of the road.
Hey.
I must go. I must go with Jesus every day. If you could arrange anything, see babe, maybe kills the lighter abroad. You could arrange page. Maybe my department will do so. Department now for kitchen. They send me a text message. Super.
So, where is the sample of the material? If you don't have, I have mine. Because you don't have. See, you don't have. This is not type of problem. Just something that is very, very, very simple. If you have material, everybody must know that. She likes to say she has everything.
Madam Acapelia! Madam Acapelia! Madam Acapelia, your music book.
Where did you find this?
From our room.
Our room? A room that I searched thoroughly? What you got to say about this?
About?
I said, what you got to say about this?
See.
I'm saying what you got to say. You're saying, huh? What's wrong? Start talking.
See.
You're suffocating.
Shut up.
Machiavelli.
Start talking.
You are just a
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Listen. Acapella. I goofed. I messed up totally. But I am sorry. Totally. Like, I've not been myself since yesterday. I have known no peace. Please, I'm sorry. I really want you.
You really want to do what? Mm-hmm. No, you really want to do what? I'm going to just ask you for one request, and then we'll go.
Anything. Just say it. I'll do it. I'm hurting. I just want to be free. Just say whatever it is.
Why did you do what you did? Mm-hmm. No, I want to know.
You be thief. Thief. I have no justification to what I did.
You know what? I don't want to know about justification. I don't want to know about anything. My point is, why did you do what you did? Why?
I have been jealous of you.
Oh my God.
And I wanted to hurt you so bad that All I could think of was to hide your songbook because your song was paving way. I'm sorry.
Don't freaking give me that shit. Don't even do that. Don't freaking try to give me that. I don't want it. Don't do that. Don't do what? Don't do what? Huh? Thief. Freaking thief. Tell you what, don't call my name. Next time I hear you say that name, you don't go like me. Don't test me. Like I'm so freaking pissed off right now. Who the hell you think you are? What's wrong with you? Easy. Stole my songbook? You insane? Thief. Thief. What the fucking thief? Oh. Dad, this is totally unfair. Like I said I got no money. Y'all gonna send me money. What? You ain't gonna give me money? There's no way y'all gonna do that, Dad. What you want me to do? Fine. That thing is, if you don't send me money, this girl right here is broke. And just write it down. If anything goes wrong, it's gonna be on your head. I mean it, and that's it. I said so. What?
You don't dare never hear from my fiancé. So I said, make I come ask you whether you want to see him. You don't tell you when he could come marry me.
Alright, my bad. I did what I did because of my own selfish reason. That's it. And I'm sorry, like right now.
What which fish you say? I don't understand.
Okay, thing is, no one pick interest in you, nobody like you. He didn't say anything about you. I just did that because I want to achieve something. You get? And I'm sorry. Don't worry. Once my money comes, I'm going to pay for all the damages. You ain't got a problem. Okay?
Yo. I know. So, you dey tell me say all those big dream wey I dey dream, I wan take leave this house, go stay for mansion. Say na you been dey yoke with me.
You know what? I ain't got time to do that back and forth talk with you. So you know what right for you right now? Take that ass inside. Go in. Alright?
Say.
I said go in. Right now. I spoke English.
Say. Alright, yes. I'm downstairs already. Okay.
What's up, babe? Can we talk?
No, I'm busy right now. And I don't want to talk to you.
Come on, how long you gonna do this?
As long as I feel like, when I'm less busy. Not now.
See, girl, I don't know anything on this app. Right now, you need to practically and virtually teach us everything.
Ifeoma, see me, I don't tire. I am tired. What they do is come to my page, watch me and go.
That's it.
Why now? It don't make sense.
Consistency.
No. Don't even give me that consistency bullshit. Don't do that. How long we gonna be consistent? I don't understand. Girl, I got bills to pay. I need money. I got bills to pay.
Oh, Chimo.
Don't freaking tell me that.
You see, Macapella, talking about bills, you need a job, you need work. We will not deceive ourselves, See me like this, I get one. So just find small thing we're going to give you money, in case of necessity, Okay.
See, let me tell you.
That's fine. You know what I'm gonna do? I'ma just go off this app for good. That's it.
See, a patient dog eats the fattest bone. Do you guys know how long I did this before it started paying me? It took me time, but now I'm reaping the fruit of my labor. See, I've told you, open your phone. When people start coming online, you'll be telling them, show me love. Bomba, you'll be there speaking in English. I don't care. They will think you've arrived. That's why they've not been sending you money.
What's she talking about?
So now here will die books. You guys beg.
I can keep up with this bullshit.
Show me love. I'm gonna show you love.
You just play your games. You think you're wise, but I know this is fake life.
What is it? Why are you like this?
Lemon, what's wrong with you now? This is not you, babe. This tea is too much now. What happened? Can you please say something? You're scaring us. Just say something. Please. What is the problem? What I've been telling you, It's obvious because he has finished testing your honey pot. He has switched to another person's honey pot. He cannot stick with you because definitely you're not the only person that has sweet spots. This is what I've been telling you girls. Don't do this. Can you just shut up and keep quiet? Just keep quiet. I trusted him. I gave it to him everywhere. On his desk, in the office, in the bathroom, literally everywhere. All because I didn't want to get sacked. I was his sex slave. He used me in every form, every angle. Do I deserve it? No, you don't. Bitches, I don't deserve this. I did everything just to secure my job. Everything he asked me to do, I did it. You don't deserve it, okay? You shouldn't have done it now. Have you forgotten that my boss threatened that if I don't sleep with him, he will sack me? But then he realized that he needed my professional services than his sexual interest. So he kept me. You shouldn't have done it now. You don't get it. Do you know how many people I had to sleep with to get contracts for him?
Do you know how many contracts I got for this man? And he had the guts, he had the effort and the temerity to sack me? I am finished. No, you're not. Bitches, I'm the one training my younger ones. How do I train them now? How do I look after them? They are looking up to me. They look... Oh, God. Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? Where? Where did I go wrong? God. I'm finished. We'll find our way around it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You go see.
Disease from your sinful life. Cause see they beg me. Disease from your sinful life.
Madam Acaperia, why do you do this kind of thing to yourself now? You just didn't say yes yesterday, you never did anything. No, keep talking something.
I don't want to eat. Go away.
Madam, I know people me, no can cook it also. Me, I know go feed the cook 2 pot of food. Cook one for person we kill also. Cook one for person we no kill also. But get up eat when you finish to eat if you continue to mourn.
Like after everything I did, all the rebranding, all the repackaging, trying to put myself in place for done. And then some girl from nowhere just come dance around him all the time. Like, where was the girl when I was doing my shit?
Madam, you see, how you think we sure say they get something together? They just see 2 of them together and we see that for inside room, not for outside.
What you saying? You try to convince me or something? What you try to do? I said I don't want to eat. The thing is, they saw 2 of them the first time in the wedding ceremony dancing together. And then I saw them again at another event. And you tell me that this now? Get out. Act like I'm so pissed. Get out.
But I'm way your faith. Your faith don't die. Now yours friendly dance. They dance and they dance and for we everybody did. In the meantime,
Did I tell you to get out of my room? That I don't want to eat? Right now.
Yeah, make a yours advise you. You see this life. No ever put your faith or your on top of somebody. Because human being will fail you. But God will never fail you. As I read I so, I give faith and I believe say God can better plan for you. God will even bring person with that pass on your side.
Don't tell me that bullshit. Don't try to tell me that. There's no man gonna be better than my Don. No man. Get out of my room.
So, just make faith.
You know y'all pushing me, right? You know y'all pushing me. I tell you repeatedly to get out of the place. You know y'all pushing me. I'ma just take this shit from you. I don't want to eat anything. I'ma just keep it. I'ma think about it. What's this? You want to feed a baby or something? Shit is so small. Good.
Okay, so I think so.
Get out of my room. Right now. I said get out. This girl won't kill me or something? I was so freaking hungry, man. It took last century to come ask me to eat food, man.
Baby, it's okay now. How many times do you want to see my face? Okay. Stop. Yeah, I know. Mm-hmm. Stop it. Yes.
Oh my goodness. Please, is there food in this house? Because I am exhausted and famished. Honestly. What do you want to cook?
Okay, baby. Hold on. I'll call you back. Okay, something just happened. Let me take care of something. So, Lemon, on top of everything that happened, you still have mouth to ask for food. Like, you have appetite to eat.
Ha! Are you actually talking to me?
Oh, just hold on. Because she lost her job, she should not eat or she should starve to death?
Now. Yes! You don't get job, they chop food. If you don't have a job, you're not supposed to eat. Biko Peaches, leave me out of this. Because if it were to be someone else, this Lemon would have used her bad mouth to chase the person out of the house.
Are you okay?
Ha! You strong past me, oh.
Is she talking to me?
Just leave her. You know this could happen to anybody, right? It could be you tomorrow.
God forbid. God forbid. It can never be me. Have you forgotten that my boss threatened that if I don't sleep with him, he will sack me? But then I know my worth. I know that he needs my professional services more than his rubbish intention. So they cannot chase me.
You're not even guaranteed yet. He could still sack you, regardless.
Berry. You know, I'm keeping quiet because I'm in a good mood. On a normal day, I go give you cocoa, another cocoa for here. That woman will hit your head, never do you anything. Don't try me in this house, oh. Don't try me. You will see another side of me. I just dey look you, they laugh.
Don't worry. I know my worth. I know it. No one can mess with me, okay? I give them what they want and leave them with no option than to keep me. Cocoa or not.
You see your life. They don't ask you, you go put your mouth, what no concern you. Let me read my book in peace.
I know, baby. Oh, my sugar banana. My sweet potato. My baby. I know. Oh my days. So you're just cracking me up. All right, baby, don't worry. I'm going to give it to you really good. I know. Gotcha. Mwah. Love you too. Oh, my love, my sweetheart.
This one your body's sweeting like this. Who is making you happy?
Oh, baby. You mean my sugar banana?
Nah, it's your bitter color. You're so dramatic, girl.
What? I mean, come on. He is my sugar banana, my sugar daddy, my sugar dada, sugar dada.
Already? You got another man? Oh my God, girl, STDs are real, you know?
Oh, Macapella, you know, it's my business, not yours. Alright? Well, you know, I could actually hook you up with one of them, you know.
Don't you dare even go there. It's Don Jizzy or no other.
Hold on. Why must he be a married man? I mean, that's someone's husband, someone's father.
My father. It's his vows. He broke the vows. How's that my business? Girl, I'm feeling good right now. Hey, get. Oh my, what are you guys munching? Okay, huh?
Send your big foot somewhere else.
My girl, my real girl.
You're a case.
See that goat?
You're a case.
Eating like a goat.
You're a cow.
Oh my days!
Only you go make me feel Only you go make me irate. Arumba. just sit down. Now only you where will be that? Madam Acapella. Welcome. Welcome. Let's say you know what's in my mind. Hey, madam, I beg. I say, let me just talk. I say, make I need and beg you for this one. I beg. I beg you. Sign me. I beg. Sign me. This is my dream. If I know, bring them to reality, I feel like, hey, sign me. For me, I swear, I don't go bring you down. Oh, now my dream be this, I beg. You even get song where I compose. Why I talk say, if I just sing them, it go blow us. But you can and no verse, I beg. No verse, you get even. Sorry. Now the song why I write, why I compose, I even the composer with that way you come. If I sing and I go like I go blow us, make a singer for you. Okay, CCM, just put them. Now only you go make me feel irate. Now only you go make me feel irate. Now only you go make me feel irate. I'm silent.
Continue, sing on.
I'm silent. Now only you go make me feel irate. Now only you go make me feel irate. No only you go make me feel irate, I'm silent, and I'm rumba. I even get steps full up. I'm silent. Ah, Madam Acapella. Let me see. What is why I say? Why so far the right? You know make sense. Nikki, you know me say he's a silent. I was you.
Madam Ifoma, no fake so, but I know they do again. I won't delete this target thing come up for my phone. But before I delete that, you could give me all the money while I use do that. Oh Chimo, how much is the money? I think 200, 400, everything now 1,800. 1,800. Sonso. Oh, worry, I beg you. Oh, 1,800. If I'm going out, I'll give you 2,000 naira. You could give me 2,000. 2,000. True to. 2,000 naira for the come. I said true to say what? Me, make I swear. Because of how much? I beg you. You Toroko or Guinea Wafago is okay. Allow me to rest. You could give me. You could give me. Hey. Oh, Chimo. Sorry for the breaking transmission. You know, today we are going to be discussing about personality. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are more powerful than we can think or know about. Sometimes we ask ourselves, it's not that we are inadequate. The thing is that we are too powerful beyond our nature. Auntie, and sometimes you ask, why am I breathing? Auntie, stop it. Hold on, guys, I'll be back in the gym.
Please. I don't want to do it again. I'm tired.
Please delete the app from my phone. Delete this app from my phone.
I don't understand. See, let me tell you, come on now, eh? You guys should just understand that this...
Don't give us that consistency bullshit you're about to talk about, right? Y'all gonna teach us the tricks you're using for this app or you take the shit out.
Are you still talking about trick? I have deleted mine long time ago because I can't be wasting my time for nothing.
Hey, you see, you people should just calm down. Very soon, they will start paying you. It's patience. Patience! Didi.
Patience. Okay, I am very, very tired. Find a way and uninstall it from my phone. That's all.
You know what? I don't even need your help. I did the installation myself and I'm going to uninstall this shit right about now.
Everything you install, everything you uninstall. In short, you know what? Anything you want to do, do it. Every time I'll be talking to you, this your coconut head. Patient, people don't. Patient. Don't do now. Did I force people to enter?
So I'm supposed to be carrying this thing, this light all around and be talking all the time.
My sister.
Don't worry, I will find a way to delete it, don't worry.
Nothing good come easy. You have to suffer. Sorry guys. As I was saying, sometimes you ask yourself, why am I so beautiful?
Are you done cooking? Everything done. Everything done.
Madams, it don't happen. It don't happen. The 3 days darkness we were talking about, it don't happen. Everywhere don't black.
What is wrong with... Bitches, what is wrong with your sister? Huh?
3 days darkness.
Itoroba,
Ma,
have you chosen to give us headache this evening? What is your problem? Why are you disturbing us?
Darkness.
Are you done cooking?
Who be say I've been asleep? Just that I just dey think of how where I go buy everything you send me cheap, and I come dey think how I won't take. You know, say everything you send me plenty. I come dey think how I won't take carry am alone come back. Before I know, everywhere just turn black, just like that. 3 days darkness, you don't come.
Can you two just take this discussion outside and have it? You guys are disturbing me, yeah?
Really? Okay, we're disturbing you. Oh, we should go outside. Don't worry. By the time hunger wires you left, right, center, up and down, you will know. Don't worry. Continue. Okay, let me interpret what she just said. She said she was planning to go to the market and she fell asleep. So there's no food.
Oh my God. Hey. You're saying there's no food in this house? Well, dead, man. What we're gonna do? Because all I've got left in this house is just peanut.
Wait, hold on. You mean there's no grain of rice in this house? Okay, everybody calm down. I've got it all sorted out.
Gal, what's up? You don't want to call the person? I mean, why don't we just go out, get a taxi, buy shit, buy stuff, come eat before I get too late?
I agree with you. Lemon, just call your friend now, please. Call him.
There's a problem. It's not just about calling him. It's a problem.
Call this guy if you go call him to talk. I beg, calm down first. Okay, what is the problem now?
See, the thing now is that if I call him, he wants me to go get it myself. And then I will sleep over. I will come back here.
Just try and call him now. There's no harm in trying. No. He might pick and won't let you come out. Just try.
Let me try. Hello, baby. I'm fine. No, I'm not fine. I'm not fine. The thing is that, yes, my house help made a tasteless food. I can't eat it, and my friends can't eat it equally. Don't worry, baby. I am going to give it to you hard. Okay. Peaches, what do you want to eat?
Okay, I want fried rice, shawarma, and apple juice.
Fried rice, shawarma, and apple juice. Berry?
Fresh fish and jollof rice.
Fresh fish and jollof rice.
I'ma just do French fries.
Okay. No chicken?
Yeah, with chicken in it.
Chicken, okay. French fries with chicken. Alright, thank you, baby. Thank you. Okay.
I'm telling you. Let me know this girl is the first time she's doing anything. You know what, girl? That runs you've been doing, it's kind of paying off, but I don't really like that.
Please, I don't do runs. Please, I don't like that word. I don't do runs. Please.
Very soon, start running. Let me give you the effect. This will expect it.
Ah, thank God.
Oh, God. Fresh fish. Okay.
You just play your games. You think you're wise, but I know this is fake life.
Honestly, I don't know what is wrong with this man. The last time I called him, he said he was on his way. See, honestly, if he gets here, I will not just talk to him. I'll just pick up the stuff and no kissing, no hugging. What nonsense.
So, Potter, that man deserves a very big no. I mean, what is this? Since we've been waiting for this small rice, this chicken rice, what is all this now?
Stop talking. Leave her bed. A girl's hungry.
Oh, girl, what's going on here? Where's the food? Uncle has not finished cooking the rice. I've not seen the rice.
What is wrong with you? No, what is your problem? No. Berry, you are very mad. Because I'm trying to vindicate you from hunger. You are blabbing. Next time hunger will finish you. You are mad.
What's wrong with you? Is it everything you're going to react to? Use the same energy. Call the dude on phone. A girl's freaking hungry now.
Come on, girls. What if you start broke down or something? You never can tell.
Ha! Thank God, God has vindicated me. Go.
Never. And I mean, good morning. Good morning. Good evening. Yes. I'll be your neighbor. No vex. I just come back from work now. Just na. As I enter house, I come to say I don't get Gary. You understand? My Gary don't finish. You know the pata. So I say make I just come to see whether if you give me some more Gary, small. You understand? Say small Gary and then granite. You understand? If you get cold water, make it there rigid. You understand? So if you get milk, those ones where they get cream, you go add them.
Yeah, but the thing now is that we don't have plenty Gary. It's just small. Adam, coconut day. Adam. Okay, you want me to add coconuts?
Hey, so I will just put some in one day fine.
You
Just
just
make I just
coconuts.
manage am, yes.
Just coconuts.
Most I dey give you na before now. As my own come finish now, so make I come meet my neighbor, make I come.
You don't have plenty gari. You will have to manage.
I'll manage. I'll manage.
Okay.
My neighbor.
You have to wait. I'm coming, eh?
I'll wait now. I don't get anywhere. I'll go wait for you. God bless you, fine sis. Thank you. Come water inside.
Okay, very good.
God bless you.
What's in the account there? Who are you?
Bros, which one? Na me now.
Yes.
I don't see person where I dey look for. I just don't collect small gari, yes.
You're not, you understand? I want you to have one for
So now because of Karen, you should just use your life now. You get off home because I don't play. As I said, so today, I said, make a drink call, shoot outside. Wow. Oh my God, no, okay.
Calm down, bros now.
No, tell me, calm down. What's the time?
Ordinarily, gari now they say, abeg, allow me.
You don't check that.
I beg you, gari. Now you abeg gari.
You want to eat gari? No, you want to eat gari? Come and eat gari now. You are mad. You want to eat gari? I'll just blind your eye. Idiot.
See this bafu want to say she be better person. I beg you for ordinary gari. Oh, me, I dey give you na gari. This girl wicked though.
Sure, you don't get it.
Your papa there, you dey craze. Bros, come outside. Make I just show you something. Come outside.
No, Nancy. Okay. The guy when they give you know they enough. Wait. You want me to go with the president? Wait. Tell you. No. Tell you now.
Oh God. Thank your star.
Oh, go stand now. Everyone saw you. You never will go some club. It's your.
Auntie, where is it? What food? Where is the food you went out to bring? Is it not one useless woman that came here to beg for milk so she can drink gari? Can you imagine? She was asking for milk, granite, sugar. Can you just even coconut? Hey! This life no balance. So she even has gari, and we are here looking for gari. Please take us to her. Let's go and beg for the gari. We have salt in it.
Don't even worry, she needs it more than we do. I don't even know what is wrong with this man. His number is not reachable. I don't know what to do.
No, wait. Whose number is not reachable? My God, you are such a freaking fake ass bitch. What? So from fake promises to fake boyfriend, now you've graduated to fake sugar daddy? I don't blame you. I don't even blame you one bit. Fact is, I allowed myself to be deceived in the first place. I don't blame you.
What? The man that is supposed to bring the food.
You're a fake ass bitch.
What did I do?
Then when you go bring the food,
You're just hungry. That's the thing.
you must bring the food.
How I want bring her? How do I want to bring it? Are we not all hungry?
Small food where we ask for milk, you must bring her. You must collect it.
Life for a living man.
He's here. See, let's go outside. I don't want you to pick up Mary and Macabella. Since they have the night to solve it, finish the food again. This is food. I'm not too hungry, but this one.
This woman. You want that this time? Don't worry. Make I give you another pet dog, Gary.
So you know how the owner gonna knock things, eh? You go there inside. You don't know your work, oh.
Who be you?
I be the security leader for this area now. I be in charge for this few streets.
What
You know the owner dey knock things.
What you mad? What you gotta come here now?
I did my office now. I come here Nigerian make inside this compound. See, I come notice they happen.
I think that job we come before make I give him another pet dog, Gary.
Yes, what is it?
I did my office. I come to hear where they shout for the shout.
Office? Which office? Eh? So we don't have the right to shout in our compound again. How is that your business? Eh?
But I don't go there. I just see my come help, and I pass my come help. So when you shout to me like
You are
this.
mad. But when you hear of armed robbers, you will run. Just make armed robbers come in and you go run. Handle him.
My friend, keep quiet. If you don't leave it now, you give pet dog, Gary.
What if you no be security?
Oh my God. Okay, there you go. If I go inside and come out, you are dead. Go to that.
Just there in the job.
No, come on, stay now. Just ordinary water you shit. If ordinary water you shit, if I bring God, what will happen? Don't get out.
Or you come
But
outside.
okay.
Do me.
Now you be the husband of that woman we come here. No, wait. I will give you penta.
I don't blame
penta.
you. I don't blame you. There this compound they drop.
Come and say my sponsor. Idiot.
You know, Peaches, I'd like to have a discussion with you.
You look serious.
Yeah. The thing is, you're real, and I like that. You're real, I'm real. You know, real recognizes real. Yeah. But the other two girls, your friends, I don't call them my friends because they're your friends, not mine, right? They're living straight. The other one lies way too much, back and forward, backward, and all of that. Don't make no sense, right? The other one too, does the same thing. They just lie, tell stories, live a fake life. It doesn't really work. So I was thinking, why don't you just call both of them and just, you know, talk sense into their heads?
Well, I get your point. But they're adults. I mean, I can't tell them what to do. I notice they lie a lot and everything, but I mean, as an adult, I know black is black and white is white. Well, if they decide to live a fake life, it's their own problem. I mean, one day their life is going to catch up with them. So, that's just my own.
No, I see. That's fine. If that's how you say it, no problem. It's your uncle's house. I'm not going to complain. I'm not saying so.
Sexy Macapella, baby girls are ready to enjoy this life. Sexy Macapella, no retreats.
Babe, how long you going to do this? You've been locking up on me for ages. Huh?
I mean, why would I do that? The first time I came to this house, I came because of entertainment. I mean, I wanted us to have business together. I got here, I saw you, and I liked you personally. And what did you do? You trashed me at your slightest chance.
No, thing is, okay, I'm wrong. Maybe I was insensitive to your pain, but I didn't mean to do that. Okay? I'm sorry. Come on.
Look, I don't have anything against you. Yes. I mean, I just wanted you to feel the same way I felt. I mean, why do you think I keep coming to this house? If I am coming to this house, it's because of you.
You mean you've been coming to this house all this while, cousin, man?
What do you think? I mean, I used to come to this house because of berry, peaches, and lemon. Oh, please come on. I know my type. Please. I don't have anything to come on.
Oh, God, you're a drama queen.
Babe, you can't keep borrowing from me when you have not even paid for the one you borrowed before. I mean, how do you intend to pay me back?
I don't know, but I don't know. I'm just find a way. But thing is, I can do that thing you asked me to do.
The question is, how do you intend to pay me back?
I'm gonna find something that I can do, or better still, I just go back to my dad. I'm sure it's gonna have to change her mind.
Wait, hold on. You really want to go back to your father's cage? Because you need money, instead of you to do what I asked you to do.
So where I'm gonna do what you asked me to do, I can't do that. Like seriously, what's wrong with you? Where's your dignity? What?
My dignity? Did you just say dignity? I am going to tell you where that dignity is. I lost my dignity when my father left here in Nigeria and went back to New York. I lost that same dignity when my aunt stabbed me and sent me out on the streets as a teenager to hawk. I lost the same dignity when I was raped on the streets. I lost that same dignity when there was no food, no water, nothing. But I will tell you something right now. Before you talk to me about dignity, make sure you're not asking me about money.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. You never told me that part of your story. Like I'm just hearing this for the first time. From the depth of my heart, I'm sorry. Okay?
It's not like I'm asking you for too much. All I'm asking you is just to do a video call for your own good. I mean, you need money. You're not gonna be naked or make love to these guys. No. All you need to do is just to show a video call of your smiling face, tell them what you want to tell them, show them what you want them to see and all that. Just some sweet talks and all that. That is all I'm asking you to do. For you to make some cool cash. That's all.
But alright, I do. But thing is, I won't say anything right now that will get you upset, I can't do this. Maybe I'll just think about it towards advice.
I don't understand. This one you are dressed like this. Carried Bible.
Wow. Girls, it's been a hectic day, I decided to walk in the Lord's vineyard because I realized that God is the truth, the way, and the life, The best thing that y'all can do is give your life to Christ. You know what I'm saying? And because when you give your life to God, everything begins to align in your favor. So how does that affect your dress code?
So, what about Don Jazzy?
Like I said, when you give your life to Christ, all things are going to align in your favor.
Wow.
Don Jazzy posted on his timeline. He posted Rihanna's picture Oh, I saw the post. I saw the post. You know, and he commented on them. Rihanna commented? Rihanna commented? He wrote Parachute of Love. I think Rihanna. I saw it, girl. I saw it. Rihanna replied, right? Not yet, but I'm sure she will. Because this is real love. She will. This is real love. Real love. That is the love that I've been telling you about. Real love. No fake love, girl. Rihanna. Riri is gonna jazz your game. That's interesting. Let me even show you. You will lie about it all by yourself. You don't share your love with no man because you are God. I know God lift your name on high. I say to the wall, yeah, you are Lord. Lord, if you wait and stop every day, love God. I give you all the glory. You will lie about it all by yourself. You don't share your love with no man because you are God. I know God lift your name on high. I say to the wall, yeah, you are Lord. Lord, if you wait and stop every day, we are forever grateful. That is why we pray like that about now. We give you glory. We give you glory. Receive all the glory. Receive your name on high. I say to the wall, yeah, you are Lord. Lord, if you wait and stop every day, we are forever grateful. That is why we pray like that about now. We give you glory. We give you glory. Receive all the glory. Receive all the honor. God will never fail. When God says tomorrow forever, He takes the God. I give you glory. All the honor. God will never fail. When God says tomorrow forever, He takes the God. I give you glory. I worship you, God. Yes, God. My sister. A child that refused to allow her mother to sleep will not sleep. Bam, bagam. And as for your partner, we have sent her to go and make us delicious meal. You know what? God forgive you. God forgive you to my darling sister. What's going on here? I couldn't get a nice sleep, and this morning you will not let me catch my morning sleep. My sister here refused to let us sleep. So she can't sleep. I'm sorry it has to affect you, I'm so sorry. Even Jesus fasted for 40 days and 40 nights. But he looked for a nice desert. Not this house. You go and look for a nice spot in the desert and fast and pray.
Baby, no thanks. If you just help me wash this small plate, I don't know. Sleep just full my head. Now you just go sleep small.
May I help you with this one? It be like you no get respect again. You no get, because say me and you don't they carry my sugar cane they put for your honey boy. You don't they misbehave. Me, Bukutu, leave my office, come here, go to work. Plus see the man. Respect yourself. Forget saying anytime we dey, na me dey always dey on top. You never dey top one day, not try me oh. You don't know that. Don't insult. Make I leave my office, come to play for you.
Be like that, man. No, man. You safe. You sleep small. I played no plenty. It was very small. But nah. You be my person now, my Ibi. Ibi.
Abromi Ibi. G-P-G. Abromi Ibi. Ah. Fine.
Thank you.
No, they jump, no, they say thank you, they never put thank you for now. You never know whether they help. I will help you on one condition.
What's in the condition?
See, the condition we see, now we see you and a cappella. Don't get close. I want you to use this opportunity to convince her. Make I be in lead dancer. Since if you start to do church song, you know say you know make I be in lead dancer that time when you dey for when they do the other one. Now we say you know enter church. I know say very soon I will begin do church song. Hallelujah.
No problem. Yes, that. I could do.
Are you serious?
I could do. Yeah.
Trust me.
Start to wash him. I could go.
I don't need to talk to you.
Come on, you come on. Wash this thing.
Good afternoon.
Itoru.
Ma? Where are you coming from with those bags?
Madam, I think so you don't come on.
That did not answer my question.
Madam, Avasiru. Mikrik madam, fan poro ngore kik madam. Ndip ki serurwa, dai serurwa. Tisi ya ma for.
Itoro.
Ma.
I told you to always communicate with me in English.
I'm sorry, ma. Madam, akuru ya yak marawa. Abi flavor. Ambumi. Itoro. Speak English. It's alright. Madam. Na mano. In talk say. In like me. I know bekamu. I just stay my own. In wakakom. Kon talk say. In like me.
Itoro.
Ma.
Can you tell me where you're coming from and where you got the things in those bags? In English.
It's alright. English. Okay, madam. A very fine man. Waka. Majestically. Come meet me. He resemble flavor. He talk say he like me. Say he want make I be in beautiful Rihanna. Now he come buy me this fine cloth. That's English.
Itoro.
Ma.
Itoro.
Ma.
Someone gave you something. Someone you don't know. And you collected them.
Madam. And I'm born. I collect them because he talks saying like me. I could collect them.
Okay. It's fine. I won't tell you to return them because I know you're a big girl. But please, can you be careful? You have to be careful.
It's alright. I go be careful. I move.
Get out from my sight.
Thank you, ma.
I am afraid.
character is this?
Anywhere Satan gathered, Holy Ghost fire pursue them. Fire, fire, fire. Fire, fire, fire. Anywhere Satan gathered, Holy Ghost fire pursue them. Pursue them. Pursue. Anywhere Satan gathered, Holy Ghost fire pursue them.
Ah, oh my God.
Calm down. See.
Now your witchcraft.
Opo.
Oh, yeah.
Now your juju be that. You don't mind now. Hey, you know what? That's one better. You know what? You're wicked. Wow. Which time will I be this?
6'5", 6'5", 6'5", 6'5", 6'5".
Ha!
6'2". Yeah.
Come on, my sit down. Nothing come out. Hello, uncle. Yes, sir. Good day, sir. Oh, okay, sir. Like how many plots, sir? Oh, really? You send 100 million to my account? Okay, sir, you know I won't fail you. Okay, what will happen is I will talk with the agent. When I'm done discussing with him, I'll let you know, sir. But I'll send my details into your phone number, sir. Okay, uncle, bye. Yes, you are doing fine, sir.
I hope your uncle allows relocate to that place.
Who told you it's a house? My uncle wants to build a hotel.
Makes it better. I mean, each of us will have one room to ourselves.
This girl, no, you want to run down my uncle's business, Abby?
Why?
This girl too like better things.
Who don't like better
Too
things?
much.
Why?
But baby, wait, you're very lucky. You have a loaded uncle. It is the Lord's doing, and it is marvelous
In our sight.
See this one, so see this one.
In us.
No, no, well,
Play game. Oh, guys, that very reminds me. I need to go freshen up, change up, and look sexy for my bobo because you see this night, it is going to be a night.
Oh.
It is going to be an awkward night. Girls, I'll see you later. I'm about to go.
Laima. Play. No stress me, I beg. Now 6, I won't bring out. You never read that.
Oh. Babe. So, you're trying to tell me that you're going to tell your uncle the exact price of the property? Ha! What are you saying? Are you suggesting I lie to my uncle because of money? You need to be calm down. So one day. You're talking as if you don't know that this money is huge. Go cash that and buy stuff. Listen, darling. Trust is priceless. Alright? And once it's broken, it's difficult to get it back. I can't lie to my uncle. I will never do that. Miss Preacher, baby. Like you're not going to get one. Not let it happen. Are you going to reject it? Hello? How's the family, sir? Okay. Okay, sir. Alright, thanks, sir. Bye. On a serious note, Mary, you're so rude. So rude. How can you advise her to cheat her uncle after all he has done for us? I mean, look at this house. We stay in this house for free, and you want her to cheat her uncle. Ah, you be thief. Thief. Thank you. I'm like, I beg, come on, you know. Nonsense. Thief.
Hello, Uncle. Good morning, sir. How's everybody at home? Uncle, I didn't receive any money. Yes, sir. I didn't get it. If I receive it, I will let you know. Yes, Uncle. Yes, sir. He said he sent 100 million naira into my account, but I did not receive any alert. I went to the bank and they said no money reflected in my account. God, what's all this? Survey the land, then tell him, and then he will send the money to me. Okay, but now he said he sent the money to me, and I didn't see the money. How can they send money to my account?
Are you okay?
Yes. My uncle said he sent 100 million to my account, and now I didn't see the money. Okay, but how can they send money to my account and I will not see it?
Calm down.
No, I'm calm. No, I'm calm. Don't tell me to calm down. I'm very, very calm. You don't understand what I'm saying. I said my uncle sent 100 million into my account and I didn't see it. It did not reflect anywhere. How can they send money to me and I won't see it? No, that's not possible. Look, okay, if I go to the bank, relax.
Yeah.
I'm relaxed.
No, you're not.
Don't tell me to relax. Don't tell me to relax. I'm very relaxed.
Okay.
I'm relaxed. Don't tell me that. Okay. I didn't even plan to take money out of it. I was sincere. I told him the surveyor was supposed to come. When he comes, then we'll transfer the money. But now he sent the money to me. Okay, I've gone to the bank. I'm taking it easy. How can I not see it? How? I'm supposed to see the money. No, I'm supposed to see the money. I'm supposed to see it, but I didn't see it anywhere. I didn't see it. How can they say they sent money to me? No, I didn't see any money. I didn't see it. Okay, now they said they sent 100 million to me. How can they send 100 million to me? And I did not see it. I've searched everywhere in the compound. Everywhere. And I did not see it. How? How is that even possible? Me like this, I don't take people's things though. I don't take things from anybody. I'm contented with what I have. In fact, if you don't tell me I'm a good person, I know I am a good person. I'm a very, very nice person. I cannot take anything from somebody. Anything that does not belong to me, I don't take it. How can they say 100 million to me? 100 million and I did not see it. That's not possible. It's not possible. It's not anywhere now. I searched everywhere. I did not find it. Anything, and they said it reflected in my account. I did not see it anywhere. I did not see it.
Peaches, are you sure you're not okay? You don't lose guard. You are loose guarding. What did happen? What's happening?
Picture. Are you sure you did not smoke? Because what's going to happen now? Let this one start. If you don't smoke, tell us now. I beg, no where to start from.
She doesn't smoke.
Maybe like saying she fuck.
What is a smoke? I'm telling you something and you don't want to understand me. 100 million. Are you listening to me? I said 100 million. It's supposed to be very huge. If there's 100 million in this compound, you see it everywhere. I've searched everywhere. Everywhere is not there. It's not in my account. It did not reflect. They said they sent it to me. I could not find anywhere. I could not see it. Everywhere in the compound, I've been looking around though. I did not find any money. I did not find any 100 million. I did not see it anywhere. I did not see it.
See, I think we need to take her to the psychiatric home. She don't lose guard. She don't lose guard.
Me, I'm lose guard. You're the one that is lose guard. Hey, you are the one that is lose guarding, Lemon. You are the one that is lose guarding. How can you say I'm lose guarding like this? Are you not a mad person? You are very, very mad. You don't have sense. You don't have common sense when you say that. How can you do something like that? You are like, let's take us to the psychiatrist. Let's go take us to the psychiatrist. Now. It's only a mad person that can talk like that. You're a very, very mad person. You're very, very mad. Very, very mad. You're very mad. 100 million.
No, wait.
100 million.
I'm kind of thinking what she's saying is true, right? You were back there talking to yourself all by yourself, and then you came out here again, you're talking to yourself all by yourself. You're only a match just who does that. What's going on?
What does yourself have to do with 100 million? What does it have to do with 100 million?
100 million. Oh, these girls, they are not listening to me. They are all mad. I said they are mad because if they are not mad, they will know what 100 million is. 100 million. Very big. 100 million. 100 million. You people are mad. All of you are mad.
You just play your games. You think you're wise.
I don't think she is mad. Maybe something terrible happened to her. Because all she needs right now is our love and care.
Exactly. Every time you be doing I too know, I too sabi. Like you know everything. What do you mean by you don't think she's mad? Did you see for yourself? She is mad.
Yeah. Oh, but hold on. If she's not mad, why is she not saying something that we all can comprehend?
I wonder.
Because she is frustrated and in pain. That is it. That's why she cannot put words correctly.
Auntie, she is mad. It is madness.
Truth is, I'm kind of confused with all this thing.
No be time for baby grammar like this. Make everybody know that we're free for her. Ah. Oh, Chimo. You know what? Can someone unchain her? I want to have a word with her.
Unchain her as what? What is your problem? You want us to unchain her? Do you know why we chained her? You can speak to her. I'm not saying you should not speak to her, but we're not unchaining her.
Fine, but
Go and have a word with her. Every time she begins like she knows it all. I just want you down to go there. I'm just going to slap her.
Nah, I'm not going to the game. Hi! I don't know if madness there inside your body. Oh God, madness. Hey! If you
Chibi, so you are here and they shamed her.
The madness. I tell you, the madness. No go close. If you go close now, she go bite you. And I'll beg you now. No go. I tell you, no go close now. They bend down. I don't tell you. If you happen to you, no come yourself here.
Believe me, I have been in worse situation than you. I might not know how you feel right now or what is going on inside. But I know something is actually troubling you. Babe, I want you to tell me everything, word to word, from the beginning, okay? Baby, breathe out. Can you talk to me? What is it?
Now that I need them the most, just look at what they did. Oh, Peach is the they acted out of love. They said you were acting crazy. You were talking to yourself. Why won't I act crazy? Why won't I act crazy? My uncle sent me on an errand to find me a piece of land where he can build. I did that. I sent the information to him with his email. And he said he would send me money, which he did. He sent me 100 million naira. He asked me to go to the bank, which I did. But the money was not received. How am I supposed to do? How? I confused that you are. You tell me that you did not see me.
Taya, look what you're doing. Taya.
Did you tell him that I'll chain her. I'll chain her immediately for you. I'll chain her. Jimmy, what is wrong with you? Why are you moving up and down? Unchain her.
Yeah!
What is wrong with you, Jimmy? I hope she doesn't bite them. Is it not that stupid dove, that girl? One day I'll punch her. One day. Who unchained her?
No, I thought that she the man.
Will you just shut up there? Shut up, let me talk. Peaches, right? I'm sorry, girl. You know, thing is, I really thought that you got mental. That's why we decided to do that to you, but we're sorry, okay?
Yes. Please forgive us. We were just scared and we acted out of ignorance. So we will not, forgive us.
I talk say I know the show. Say I know the say it be like say nice. It be like say Madam Lemon. I mean Madam Lemon. Come jump for inside the matter. Why? Just jump enter the thing.
Shut up. Why will you say what you don't know of? Why will you say you are very stupid, you are mad. And you're still talking.
In fact, Holy Spirit tell me say you really okay. But Madam Demon come talk say me go carry chain, come chain you like that.
Oh.
If you don't go punish you, you are mad. You are mad. Why you not the one that said we should flog her case so that we remove the demon from her? Why you not the one that said it?
I remember.
Baby girl, like, damn, I don't know how I haven't did all of this. Like, I thought, I could have thought out of the box, but Shit's already been done, and I'm saying sorry, okay? Like, you
Peach
got
eyes.
home, girl.
Peach eyes. My peach eyes. Girl, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You know, I got you.
Girl, you're beginning to
You know
sound
what
like
time
me.
it
Give
is?
it to me.
I got
We
you.
got you, baby
I got
girl.
you.
We got you.
There's no problem. So you forgot Abby. And Peaches, you know what happened? They messed you up, so they'll clean you up. Oh yeah, go. You should go and clean you up. That's the punishment.
No, come in. Come in.
Girl, you know what
Sexy baby. You see, the real mad people in this house is these girls. Not Peaches.
Hey girl, why are you going to dress like this?
I'm going to church. At this point, I need miracle before I go mad.
Nice idea. I think I should join you, right? I mean, we need to do this together.
Oh, really? That would be so nice.
No, it's fine. Let me put on something decent, okay?
Thank you very much.
I'm coming. Sit
I'm
down.
waiting. Don't be long, yeah?
All right.
This girl's food tastes way better than she looks.
Huh? Test what? I cook better than that. Because I'm too, I'm too sophisticated for that.
Will you just shut up and let me enjoy this food, and please?
Why? That's also mouth some people get. So cook food. A big problem.
How for?
Idiot.
What's wrong? Why you crying? Did somebody die? What account number?
The account he sent the money to. One Henry Oluwole. And now my uncle refused to believe me. He thinks I want to defraud him through someone. I don't even understand the whole thing.
For Christ's sakes, how will your uncle send money to Yoruba man and you are here crying? He should be the one at fault, not you. My God! Girl, are you the daft or you're just pretending to be daft? What's wrong? She's been hacked and you... Oh my God, like... Okay, on a serious note, aside the four of us, who else knows about this deal?
No other person. I couldn't have said it to an outsider. No other person knows.
That means someone in this house told an outsider about it.
Exactly my point. What if the thief we are looking for now is among us? Because see, I don't understand though. This life, you no balance, so nothing is impossible, especially among this circle.
I got a clean slate, girl.
I don't trust anybody.
I got a clean slate. I'm sure of myself 100%. But you know, Barry and Lemon, man, I don't trust no one. Yeah.
No, don't call my name. Don't just call my name.
I don't trust you.
Hold on. I think I mentioned it to the agent. Yes,
You see?
I did.
You see?
I mentioned it to the agent.
Whatever.
Yeah.
The agent?
Yes.
Can I have his number? I mean the agent.
What you gonna do with his number?
Ha! Oh, you are still speaking English. You forget about this my baby in the CEO. Forget the sex which the answer. This girl na confirm agboro. Throw away packaging. This girl na street babe. When I give her the information, it will help you locate the thief.
Sexy, just hold on, okay? Let me get my phone. I'll get you some.
Please.
I'm clean. I got a clean slate. Babe, I got a clean slate, man. I'm not 100% sure. I done fucking call your name.
Please, next time, don't just call my name. Don't call my name.
Shut your last and shove you.
Oh my goodness.
What's wrong? Can you just press your phone and not laugh that loud, please?
It's Don Jazzy. I mean, it's so funny.
Wow.
Calm down. Take a chill pill. He said here that, dear Measurer, that's the designer, that I would need a flowery gown like this for my future wife. What's your size again?
Oh my God. He actually said that?
Yes, he did.
You know what God cannot do does not exist. Okay. Last year, you know, he put up something on his page. He said, dear future wife, I'm gonna need you to just be ready because I've been waiting for you. And then right now he just put this up again. You know what? This is really for me.
Where are you going to?
I want to go to the seamstress, go take my measurement so that if he meets me, he's not going to ask me and I won't know it. This is for me.
You're dreaming. Thunder is the Jazzy again.
Into baby, into sex, into. Inside do a chapter. Come on, get out. It wouldn't work. No, come near me again. See, go meet all those dirty house skill where you carry your sugar cane, go put for their something. Me and you know they the same level, you know what? No because I'm. I know anybody for this place. No, you lose dog for chain. I come to you say make I go meet all this house helps. As I enter there, wow, I enter inside sweet. Now you go to talk the thing. Thing. It put. Let me get that one. No, Paco. Onye ngugoro mmiri ya zọọ ya aja aja gwuo mmiri gwuo gị ike kụdasị. Idiot! Nenesi! Mwagere! Detete dị imi goli gị ndị gị kacha m. Esi! What's that? No. Why you dressed like this? I don't rebrand. I come up with my brand ambassador. What you talking about? Madam, you pray for brand ambassador. Me too. I pray for brand ambassador. But God, face answer my prayer. My brand ambassador don't show. Madam, check me out. No, wait. You trying to say you got a new boyfriend? Correct. Madam, you sharp when you say people kill you. What? You have a boyfriend? No be boyfriend. Nah, fiancé. Fiancé? Girl, you got a fiancé how? Like, when did all of that happen? I didn't know about it. Madam Akapedia, no, you lost me. Just continue to pray. God could bring your own as he bring my own. Oh, blame you. You know what? God's gonna help you. Madam, I beg you to talk like that. See, I know the boy talk say he love me.
say he could marry me. And him talk say we no could do anything until we marry. So, no yes also. Madam Capella, no fake so. The kid waiting I want to make you help me do. You could just give me some of those your fine clothes, your makeup, and even your...
Don't you dare try to touch me. What's wrong with you? You out of your mind? You out of your senses? You're gonna ask me for clothes, makeup, and all of that? Are you alright?
It's okay, though. You do. Just because I say make you give me a small thing. What thing happen? If you don't want to give me here, just say you don't give me. No, they shout for me.
You're very stupid. I don't blame you. You try to make me stupid.
Everything. Just the fix. Give me small clothes.
I don't blame you. Dog.
We have done all the investigation and the agent is clear. That guy is not even intelligent. He can't do that.
If he's not the one, then who could it be? Who could do such a thing? Exactly my point. Who did it? Who could do such a thing like this? Who?
We have ruled out the agent. But we have suspects. And we must fish out the perpetrators out. We must. We are working tirelessly on it.
How do we even do that?
Don't worry about that. I have someone I'm working with. And this case is actually a small one for you.
It's fine, but don't mind the fact that I'm acting up okay. This thing is actually eating me up from inside.
What's about?
Remember the woman I told you about at the mall? The one I had carried her loads to the car.
Oh, that one that said she want you to marry her son instead? Oh, yeah.
He wants me to meet his parents next week.
Wow, that's good news.
Yeah, I think he really likes me, and I'm liking him too.
Ah, nice one, babe. Nice one. Give me 5 days. Give me 5 days. Oh my God. Well, that's nice. That's nice. You know, I've been there and I'm down here. I know those guys pretty well. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta be really careful with them. You know.
Mm-hmm. I will.
Okay.
I just said to come and tell you.
Thank you. Not awesome.
Yeah.
What sort of frustration is this? I've been trying to reach my fiancé since morning and it's not connecting.
Sister, please don't disturb us. Please. It's your cross. Carry it. Carry your cross. It's a private issue, so stop disturbing us.
My goodness. You are so damn cute, girl. Wow.
You are looking sploofic, stunning.
What's going on? Thank you.
So he told his mom to take me to one of the beautiful spas in town.
Who is he?
The overseas guy. Yeah. So, Dude's doing real good. Wants to come back.
Next month I will soon come back now and sleep with you. Then off he goes. We dump you.
Oh, girl, shut up. Everyone doesn't get slept with and dumped the way they do with you.
You're mad.
Keep darling.
You're
mad.
You're crazy.
Thank you.
You
That's why
read that your
they
Bible.
dumping you.
Nonsense.
I know.
Oh, shut up.
Okay, girl.
Yeah, give me a high five.
Thank you. Bye, baby. Let this phone connect for one. Auntie. Carry your course. Then you'll get problem. See your sister.
Yeah, I step away for a few seconds and everywhere's on top. What's wrong?
My sister, your sister is pregnant. You know the funniest part is that idiot that got her pregnant has refused to pick his calls.
But girl, you know I warned you about this, but you refuse to listen to me. See where it's landed you?
I'm nothing like that, oh. He don't say he go marry me. If he carry me go see his parents, he don't say next week he will come see my parents.
Oh, I see. If he said he's gonna come, he's gonna come. He's on his way, girl.
This is what they call use and throw. The brand ambassador is on the run. On the run. You refuse doing cleaning, doing your chores, doing cooking. Now it serves you right. She even said she would resign. You remember? She said she would resign. That brand ambassador is first time. He's a millionaire.
Girl. You see, girl, he said, don't worry, don't mind these people. I'm on your side. He said he's gonna come, he's gonna come. If he's gonna come, he's gonna come. But you know, you were busy digging it down there, right? Busy. I've been praying you there, digging. Oh, God. I ain't got problem. We can do a prayer together. He's gonna come, baby girl. Just look at me. You want me to do a single? Psych, you there.
I have decided to follow Jesus. 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 I no go turning back. I no go turning back.
Hey! He has done for me, oh! He has done for me! He has done for me! He has done for me! What my mama cannot do, he has done for me! This gone too much! So you finally come back? Eh? No, Shiru, after all the shakara you will do finish, you still come back, still carry the same cup for me. Ah, this gone too much. With this, he says God take the answer prayer. And the prayer don't say the answer.
Yibi. Yibi.
Yibi. GB job.
But I use God Almighty make you. Okay. Just go back to your office. I do not give power for your problem. Okay. Hi.
Itotolungwa. Itotolu obako. Itorum tamo chakacha. Hi. See what's going to happen there. Just finish what you do. I will go inside and wait for you. Once you finish, Abia. See this time I will not waste time. You will just there like this. You just there like this. I will just enter so that we will put fertilizer for this baby so that you will grow.
God forbid bad thing. I never tell you. See, I don't give my life totally to Christ Almighty. I don't feel do that thing where they do again.
The dog, they see where the dog. Look me and you there, yes, sis. Look me and you there. That time you go there, you go pray. You go fire. You go shout, say this person will do it. This person no good. This person will go and fire. You go do finish why? You go find me and come. Aye, put no be you. I dey here, you come out. I see they here, you come back. Yeah, I just
don't touch me. Touch no man when and do my prophet no. See, God go forgive me. Listen, that time I've been there for a while. Now I don't go back to my father. I don't go back home. So I don't feel that kind of thing again.
Okay, that time you there for war. You know, my friends have nothing at all. I'm a little thing. It is a see that before, not be now. Because I dey here, one idiot from outside, they collect food from my mouth. Like my enter inside this prayer program. I holla prayer. My God answer my prayer, come out idiot. Now, you don't come back and I won't change it for me. No try, no just try. You understand me? Come carry with the hand. No, they do this. I did my own, you carry the same combo. Now you don't sue me, they do the same. You have bad inside people.
Yibi, go back to your office. Go back. I go shout to
see me. Hey! Let me shout to they do it before. When will they do it? They keep quiet.
Yibi!
You finish, go see me.
Yibi!
See me, I tell you. If you don't finish, I go come my cloth. They like this way for you.
I have decided
to
follow Jesus.
Yes, sir.
I have decided
no waste time.
to follow Jesus.
Good afternoon. What is it? Can you spell the mass and go straight to the point?
Madam Akapele, listen, me find you.
Me?
Yes.
Did the person tell you his name?
Pastor Timothy. You say don't they call you since, but you know the thing.
You mean that pastor really came to this house?
He's the pastor.
Some pastor in our church. He's got all the fine girls doting on him, but he says he doesn't want local foul. He wants to eat angry foul.
Oh. Wait a minute. You mean your church pastor?
But dude says he doesn't like the girl because she ain't beautiful.
Pastor, dude, a man of God.
Okay. Babe, I think this is a divine call. I mean, this is a call from God. You need to answer.
You're the clown.
Oh. Hold up. Pastor. Ooh. Wow.
Oh, you gotta calm down, right? You don't make no sense. Just calm down and take it easy.
I need to confront him. How am I even sure Sexy Dove is sure of what she's doing? I mean, I spoke to one of my friends and he's very mad at me that I haven't confronted him yet.
What is happening here? Okay, your friend wants to go get the police to arrest the agent guy. And I'm telling her it don't make no sense.
Amazing. I agree with you totally. I mean, I've been wondering why you haven't arrested that criminal. It's been a while.
Thank you
Arrest him.
Thank you very much. That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
By the time I arrest him, the police will beat the truth out of him.
I agree with you.
Cool. You want to arrest him? What's your evidence?
You guys are funny. Are we talking about the same agents that cannot speak good English?
Who is talking about English? I too know. Who is talking about English?
Hold up, dummy. Let me educate you. It will only take an expert criminal or an extremely intelligent person to steal in that manner. Okay?
I agree with you on that one. And yeah, right. You got to educate her.
What?
You're always talking.
You talking too.
Okay. I'm confused. What do I do?
My sister, arrest the dummy. Arrest that dummy of a criminal. Go and arrest him. Let them beat all the truth out of him. Thief. I support you 100%. Arrest that fool. Thief. Thief.
Whatever.
You lousy too.
Sounding alright, but I'm not alright. Hold me tight. If I cross red, you know you gotta save my life today. Cause I feel like it's
No.
Okay, go to the rooms. Tell them I want to see them now.
Okay, ma.
Sorry for disturbing you. I just want to ask for a little favor. Okay, working with someone to see if I could get back the 100 million my uncle sent to me. And in as much as we're doing everything to get back the money, he advised we should pray. So I'm pleading with all of you, even if it's just a day fasting, 1 day or 2, anyone you can do for me, I will really appreciate it, please.
Is that all? That's it. Can you just shut up?
Fasting. See, for prayer.
Shush.
Why can't you just pray, forget fasting?
Life of cares, living in a place. Oh, somebody from Americana, somebody from I get it money, somebody from I get it connections. Oh, see how she the from Americana, see how she the from I get it. Oh, see how she the from I get it connections.
Chineke. My chicky. This one will come visit me this morning. If I say you want me to collect one, my sure can be ready.
Shut up. Person never see food chop since morning, they talk nonsense.
You don't know say that money one and they should pass. You never been.
Leave me.
But seriously, which kind of wahala be this now? Why Madam Pinches go force everybody make we enter fasting?
Just come. My uncle called for night. He talk say make I come meet him friend wey be CIA agent. Make him help investigate the matter. So for that, everybody for this house must do fasting 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. so that the fasting could help the CIA agents do good work. Nonsense.
Now, the thing with Madam Pinches talk that. Why should we talk now? To okay now, what it concern our food now? Concern a money we don't work. What it concern them? Because as we dey now, if you like make we fast from here till next year, the money no go still come back. The money don't work. Can it not just at that?
You know, kid, you know they hear something. You know, when she talk say, now this fasting who will do? Now you could help the CIA agent. Me do better work. Me, I don't get any problem. Just that this uncle too much. I dey pray, make God answer our prayer.
Now, which can one of this one now? Which can how happens with the work? One with the wire arm. See, even as I go resign for you. Because everything just the work against me. See, ordinary make it sign me, make I be a lead dancer. She no agree. You can't sign that short. Where they call ourselves na sexy dovey. We no sabi dance anything. And because he be giant. Madam Acapella.
What's that?
Madam Acapella.
God's gonna help. I really want to thank every one of you for joining me in the fast. I really, really appreciate it. It shows me that I have friends who can stand by me whenever I have issues. Like, I'm really so grateful for everything. I got you. I appreciate friends. Yes, I appreciate you. So let's go to Sino so that Itorobo can come and serve us. I think that will be better. Why do we have to go to the city? Let's just eat the food. Yeah, you're right. Okay, it's fine. I know you guys are very hungry. Itoro! Itoro, bang! Yes, madam. Please come and serve us the meal, please. Please come and serve us the food. Let's eat here instead of eating. Yes. Make it snappy. Hurry up. So no, everyone's famished, man. It's been a hectic. That was a very sweet speech. I really had fun. We should do that more often. What's wrong? What happened? What's wrong? That's not Chimbares.
You said you have good news for me. Yes, we have found the person that stole from you. Joking?
Very serious. We are very, very serious. We found the person. We traced the person through his friend. His friend has all the information.
No, not so fast. Look, this is how it works. This person that stole the money, you don't have any connection with the person. Yes, but the person that leaked the information to the guy, you have connection with the person.
So how do we know who this person is? How do we look at
There's no reason we should arrest the person. He or she will confess. Yeah, you're right. We can actually do that. But don't forget, if we say we want to arrest this person that stole this money, the main target will take run. Yes. So what we need to find out now is who is this person that leaked this information so that the two things can, go together. So how do we know the person that linked the information?
So how do we know this person?
Exactly what I'm saying. If we arrest him, everything is settled.
Hey girls, I have good news. Guess what? You know what? The detective told me that I have hope. And the guy working with Sexy Doe told me the same thing.
Oh, that really good news there. Oh, that is sure good news. But I don't want them giving you false hope, okay? So you need to calm down.
I agree with you. Just right.
Oh, my boo-boo kitty. Hello, baby. Outside? I will be right there. Woo! 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 I feel good. Da-da. Woo! I know that I will. Da-da-da. I feel good. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Guys, the dawn is here. The dawn is here.
While I was shopping with my boo-boo kitty, I decided to get you guys some stuff. You know, some nice stuff. Here's bag, shoes, make your choice. Everything in there that you need.
But wait. I thought you said you don't want no boo boo kitty.
Oh well, I met him yesterday.
This stuff sure look expensive, huh? Thank you, but you're spending way too much.
When you got yourself a brand new laptop, did I ask you? Did I ask you, Auntie Gwe? Did I ask you? Eh? Oh, sure.
Not for fun.
Okay, I can see you guys don't want it, so I'm gonna.
What you say? What? I want everything. You know what? Thank you. This is actually the first time that y'all really being nice and sweet to me. Huh? Come here. I know you don't want no help, but
No, it's for everyone, not just for you alone, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Don Jazzy and Rihanna again.
What you say?
Don Jazzy is crushing on Riri. And some people I get dying for him.
No. I don't like that joke. You know why? I like it. Okay. What I figure from this is, he ain't met her before, so he's just posting the pictures. Not like she's more beautiful than I am.
Some people go just stay on their own. They compare Ajegule with Banana Island. I don't know, tell them say it resemble. Yeah.
I know what you're trying to do. I'm gonna let you distract me. I know you just trying to distract me. It won't work.
I saw Don Jazzy post Rihanna picture the other day and wrote parachutes of love. Subsequently, he had written cute. Some people were just there one corner. They died for Don Jazzy. See, real love, true love. Look at it. No fake zone, pure love. This love choco. Hey. Don Jazzy again.
Did you notice any of your friends spending extravagantly lately?
Lemon and Berry are not behaving like people that stole 100 million.
Have they been spending like that before? How expensive are these dresses she bought?
Very expensive. I mean, designers, I must say. But that doesn't mean I'm suspecting them. I'm not.
I'm not saying that you're suspecting them, yeah, but did you ask them where they got the money? Because I know Lemon lost her job.
Well, Lemon told me her babe bought it for her, so I don't need to question her.
Oh, her boo. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Lie for Africa. You can make marks, but baby, take them easy. Baby, you can lie for Africa. You can make marks, but baby, take them easy. Life of tears, living in a place. Oh, somebody from Americana, somebody from
I can do this all by myself. I come to you right now because I can't do this. I give my life to you. I stop committing sin. Look at me, I changed my dressing all for you guys. They say y'all got mine. I read this precious little book every day. I want you to just do one thing for me. Brianna can't confuse my mind no more. I can do all of this and I want Don Jazzy all by myself. help me right now. You gotta help me. They say you're one man who doesn't lie. I need you right now. Help me, Lord. Thank you. Thank you.
Baby, you can lie for Africa.
The girl, you know you should be right there with that. Wife left them all alone inside there to discuss what? What are they even discussing inside? What are they discussing inside? The detective said it's a private discussion, so you have to let them be there. They will soon be done. No, okay. Wait. I'm tired. They stayed there for too long. I'm kind of damn tired.
Alright, ladies, I'll see you. I quite appreciate it.
Okay, take care now. Bye.
Peaches, I'll be leaving now, okay? I'll see you later. Leaving to where? Where do you think you are leaving to? You are not crossing that gate until you tell us what you discussed inside. Every time I need. It's a private discussion. What's wrong with you now? Which private? Peaches, don't mind her. She just wants to show herself. But when I start with her, she can't even handle it. I'll see you, okay? Start what? Oh, get out!
Lemon, you want to know what to discuss about?
Tell me. Tell me. Bye. Okay, so can we go on now? You're free to go. Bye. So I'm saying you should tell us what is happening here. You're saying what is like. Don't you know what is private is? What is private? Private talk. What is private? You want to hear everything. You want to hear everything. Every time that sexy dog will just be doing her, the day I will slap her. She will not see tomorrow. You know you don't have strength. It's only mouth you have. If I slap her, she will not see tomorrow. Sense.
After dealing with that idiot, after dealing with her in this town, she will run as fast as her legs can carry her.
Are you not tired of challenging someone you obviously know that's stronger than you? Huh?
Stronger than me? Listen, girl, I am not talking about physical strength. I am talking about financial strength. I will use my money and my contacts and chase her out of the state. You don't know me. You don't know me.
Oh, hold on. Who does you money? Brokers like you. Oh, you think Sexy Dove is in your class, or you think she's as jobless as you are? Wait, is it because she comes here all the time?
How much is she worth? No, tell me. Let's just find out. How much is she worth? Is she worth 50 million naira? Huh?
Hey, are you worth up to 1 million naira?
Na thunder na go fire you for
fire you too.
See, I go don't blow you.
You never speak like that.
Are you mad or something? You see this your coco, by the time I go blow him, this your coco will refuse to go. If I blow him, you go shift, go that side, you go come remain permanent.
I never reach like that.
This her coco will not refuse to go. If I give her one blow, you go move, go that side.
You don't do like this one blow, now two be this oh.
Where you wanna?
Me.
You want me to do a sharp. I get energy. Fast. Give because of this. What do you mean? Give because of this. See what I told you. I know they do it. You understand? So the men are putting it down. If I believe you will be always, don't you believe that you will get free and I'm going down. Me, you know, I don't know, look up. You should be outside for a way. So I will be doing it. You can't be good with look, you are the tell me now. Look, you open my eye. Now you open my eye and then say, make I go the thing with other house with the political room. I know, and I enter. Wow! Before you say, this is from the telephone, you come open my eye and you go this with me. If you see how this will carry the big care of me, if you handle me like that the head, and tell you, anything what I need that if I demand money from you, I will go to say, wow, you will come back like okay. So you know the notice say my level not true. Say I need to beg you for food again or money. You know notice that? Ah! Thank you for you because you go you increase. So you get mine. Find my thing. Go to book for all those the house care thing. You carry my sugar cane, go for the other thing. Only God. There's so many to pick up. Who job your sugar cane? You respect yourself now. Now you come some. Now you make I go outside. I don't see they help me, they put me for better work. I only see outside this sweet. So I beg, if you know them money, come out here. You understand me? If you get money, come here to talk. You need to get up. Come out here. If you get money, come back.
You will come back.
You come back.
To still while you keep you know.
I don't understand. You mean I should not let anyone out of the house today? How am I supposed to do that? I live with adults. Okay.
This world have left me.
Today you go give me back my money. Today you go give me back my money. Share the migrimo. You the migrimo abi. Na me dey carry play.
Na me dey here than the same migrimo.
By the time I finish with you, you go not say na me.
I don't even know who the woman. I just dey hear when from my ears.
You guys aren't saying anything.
You hear that one now? Yaga. You dey me for back hand though. You dey find person who kill you say. Let me dey do it go. No be me go kill you.
Hold on. You're not making any sense at all. Can you tell us what the problem is?
The thing is this is you here. I don't even know more. I don't know as it take enter here.
Can you just shut up and tell us what the problem is? What's wrong with you?
Can you imagine this stupid man? No? This foolish gate man, GBO, BG, nonsense. I don't even know what they call him. He collected my 3-month salary. My 3-month salary, yo. Okay, now that one now one. I think collector. He lie for me saying go marry me. Say he go carry start up business from there we go come out. Only for me to find out say no be only me this man they do. Say get to that side chick that him get.
Do what did they do?
Do your
hair.
Do your hair.
Hey! God forbid! Seen as every way.
Go them walk.
What? No, wait. Did you just say that? You open your mouth and say that shit? Oh my God. Okay, I think it's time. I'm going to let everyone know what's been happening behind closed doors. So.
How long have I been sleeping? What? Oh my God. Oh my.
She's been going down in the salon.
Everybody shout night Madam Acapella, you don't talk your own now.
You ain't got shit to say. Shut up there, you ain't got shit to say. I must just step away from this place. Fix yourself.
Shut up here.
Sort yourself
You don't open now. You don't, that's what they You don't do a shit. Who? They don't see her. Now we don't do home.
Hey, you don't use me play. You don't use me play. I go kill you. I go kill.
You see that you want to do now.
What's the meaning of this?
I beg. I don't want to use my job.
Please excuse me.
Hey, I beg the last order. I beg. The last order, the beg, I beg. So don't tell me what. See, maybe before we say now my job I did do. I don't want to lose my job. I beg. I don't tell you.
Jimmy, you mad or something? Are you mad or something? Are you crazy? You know the Colombians.
I tell you, it's not before. If you like, drop, die, wake up, scream, do anything. Yes, you know go come out here. I won't go be there.
You're mad. You're crazy. Excuse me. Let me pass. Open this gate.
My friend, I know they open this gate.
Are you mad? Peaches, I want to go out. My friend is waiting for me outside. And he's saying that he's obeying orders. What orders? You they mad?
Oh, I'm sorry about that. There's something we need to talk about. 30 minutes meeting, 2:30. 30 minutes is okay. Let me have it.
No, Peaches, I don't like this. I've been respecting you for far too long. I don't like this. Please let me go see my friend.
I don't want to get this. I'll go now. Go.
What kind of nonsense is this? I want to leave here. I don't want to stay here anymore. Am I in prison or something? What kind of nonsense is this? Eh? I want to go.
Peaches, why don't you just let her go? She's an adult and can take a decision for herself.
Peaches, I know her. I know. I just told her 30 minutes. And it's not 30 minutes yet. So hold on.
I don't want to wait for 30 minutes, Peaches. I want to go. I want to go. What is all this nonsense now?
Girl, let her just go. Let her just go, huh? Who that? Know him?
If you're young, demo, I said you okay. You will be quiet.
Good afternoon, there, one.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Who amongst you is Demo?
That one.
Good. For the record, I'm Detective Franklin. You are under arrest for conspiracy and fraud, attempting to defraud Miss Peaches of a whopping sum of 100 million naira. Yes, you have the right to remain silent for whatever you take of this. You have the right to an answer. You have one.
Now wait. Use the thing.
Now move it.
Oh my God! Guys fucking running on the street on this wild. Motherfucker, bring out your house. Put this shit on it. Use the thing, man.
Lemon.
Y'all got nothing to say. Get out of here.
Hold on, I think she wants to give her last speech.
She ain't got nothing to say. Shut up. Get out of here. Bloody freaking thief.
Peaches, I'm sorry for everything. You don't deserve this. I'm sorry, everyone. It is what it is.
I don't need your testament. Get away. Freaking thief. Look at her. I told you this guy was a freaking pretty liar. Thief. Yeah. I told y'all just to run on the street.
all have seen it. We all have to be responsible for our actions. Your life doesn't have to change simply because you failed or because you're having a hard time. Remember, failure is part of success. It prepares you for a bigger hit. Yes, just because someone else hurt you does not give you the license to hurt another.
You're right.
Keep up the good work, girls, and you will have no cry.
Yeah, you're a freaking detective. Yeah, now I need this shit. Now I that shit. Now I need it. Whoa!
Talking about being nice. Jimmy, you said something about having something to say about Macapella and pictures. Please, let's go with it. Oh yeah.
Wait. You said I will tell you that make I recover from this job. So who you hit? That's it.
You go see. This is from your sinful life. Cause see they beg me. This is from your sinful life. Before it's too late. Cause time they go. It they go. Cause time they go. It's waste for nobody. And this is life. Yeah, you don't see him. You don't see him. He gave me silver. Yeah, you don't see him. You don't see him. Who is to blame? Who is to blame? You don't get your cake.